Okay, quick update on the peach trees. They are getting a lot of new growth, kind of probably too much. They're probably like 6'2" now. Yeah, I'm like 5'9", 5'10", probably 5'11" with shoes on. So yeah, these are probably 6'2" above my head. Getting a little tall for the community garden rules. Over here as well, getting a little pretty tall. But yeah. We got a lot of growth. It's pretty thick here. Probably have to trim it back somehow. Take off some of the branches. Just not sure which ones. I don't know if we're gonna get any buds on this year. Right? The neighbors are hopeful. The neighbors are talking. They're wondering when I'm gonna get peaches. Probably not this year. Probably not this year. And that's fine. I'm not worried about it. Just gotta keep them trimmed down, and we'll be good to go. Hopefully I can keep them for years to come. And then I will order some actual dwarf peach trees. Those will be here probably, hopefully next month. Get those in our black pots. Sweet.